Okay, and we are back again. Hey guys, this is your friendly neighborhood killer Blue Queen, or if you like to call me just by Queenie, then that's okay with me. Honestly, I don't care what you call me, just so long as this isn't insulting. But I finally got around to recapping this year's Inktober that I did, and if any of you watch me on DeviantArt and such, including Instagram, because, well, DeviantArt and Instagram is where I mainly posted these, you will see all the ones that I've done so far. Well, other than being in a video, it's like write JPEG files and stuff like that. But anyway, so as you saw in the beginning, I decided this Inktober I was going to do a challenge, and I wasn't going to do the Inktober challenge with prompts. I did a different prompt and combined it with it, and I did the 30-day Magical Girl challenge, but I made it 31 because October has 31 days. Basically, at the very end one, for day 30, it was either you choose bunny or cat, but I decided to split both up for the days. So, as you can see here, this is just the first week out of the way. Now we're on to the second week. And this will also be a mixture of watercolors and alcohol-based markers. As you can see. Oh, and this, because I didn't have as many pages as I wanted to in this sketchbook to finish it up, I just glued pieces of other paper from a different one onto it as the pages. It worked out pretty well, and they're all together. So it works for me. Yeah, I basically combined it, the sketchbook I used for last year's for this one as well, because it still had paper in it and I wasn't about ready to rip it out. I figured, why not kill two birds with one stone, you know what I mean? So yeah, a lot of these I'm very happy with the way they turned out. Others could have been a little bit different, but I went along with it anyway. But I will admit, I got really caught up in this, and oh boy, I was very stressed out from the end of this. But at the same time, while I was being stressed out from it, I had a lot of other things going on between friends and family that it was hard trying to keep myself motivated physically and mentally. But I bucked on through it, and here we are now. But yeah, and I'm sorry I haven't posted anything in a while lately. I do plan on doing more videos coming up soon. Also, I'm going to do a bit of an update as well, because there are some ideas that I'd like to do for my channel, considering that I'd like to have a few changes here and there to kind of help motivate myself to do more with it, and other things as that. But for now, I just decided to post this, and yeah, I figured I need to give you guys something rather than making you wait so long with me being so absent. So I apologize for that. Like I said, life has been hectic with struggling and such, and it's going to be even more hectic because it's the holiday season. So yeah, either way, I really had fun with this, with my knowledge with watercolors, and then adding like mixtures with marker and such in it as well. I mean, why not do a little mixed media here and there? Everybody loves mixed media. And if anybody wants to know, this is a, I don't remember the size, but it is Canson mixed media paper. But yeah, I actually like it a lot. It does hold up very well with watercolors and such. So yeah. Anyway, we're almost at the end here. And also, if you didn't know before, I did a lot of cartoon-related things, well, my Bendy and the Ink Machine characters and stuff, and I also added a few of my friends in as well. Because, I mean, why not? Because, I mean, that's what I've been addicted to lately. But yeah, that's going to be a lot of it more in the future. And this is the one that I wanted to go all ham on, but I'm okay, I'm indifferent with it. I still think it turned out cute, but still. But yeah. And that is the end of it right there, and I hope you guys all enjoyed it. I do promise that there will be more videos for speed paints coming soon, and there might be a few others as well, different ones. So go ahead and be excited for that. I promise this isn't going to be too much of a hassle, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!